In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds. If you want Zoom to play a sound when someone joins or leaves your meeting, this setting is quick to enable and can be very helpful, especially if you're hosting meetings and don't want to constantly watch the participant list. Turning this on makes it easier to notice when people arrive in the waiting room or enter the meeting so you can stay focused while still keeping track of attendance. To get started, open your browser and go to the Zoom web portal, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand panel. In that menu, find My Account, click it, and then select Settings. This will take you to the area where Zoom lets you manage account level options for meetings and other features. After you're inside settings, click on the meeting tab. This is where Zoom keeps many of the controls related to how your meetings behave. From here, scroll down until you reach the in-meeting basics section. If you prefer a faster way to get there, you can also use the navigation menu on the left side of the settings page and jump directly to that section. Once you're in meeting basic, look for the option called sound notification when someone joins or leaves. This is the setting that controls the alert sound. On the right side of that option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn that toggle on to enable it. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, just approve it. After that, the setting should be active right away. This means Zoom will now play a notification sound when someone joins or leaves, depending on how your meetings are configured and the permissions available on your account. And that's all you need to do. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when you're running classes, team meetings, or client calls and want a clearer audio cue when participants come and go. If the option looks grayed out, that usually means it's being controlled by an admin or by account level settings, so you may need the right permissions before you can change it. Otherwise, once enabled, you're all set. That's how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds.